Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video ang JML Dinamulog Festival 2025 in Botolan, Zambales, which is kahapon ito kagabi. So once again, longer, I'm really excited to watch this. It's been a while no, na hindi na din ako nakagawa ng reaction video sa JML. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video, no? Okay, excited ako. Go! Ay, energy ha? Energy! Ay, don't stop believing pala itong atake niya. Believing ang atake ni Mariel. Ay. Hello. JML. Ang ganda ni Mariel. Bakit ganun? Pabata sila ng pabata. Ay. Ganda ni Mariel. Sila na ba? Feeling ko. Gusto ko malaman as a chismosa kung paano sila nagkakatampuhan. Okay. Papakanta na lang si Akla for today's video. Charis. Hindi nila to kinanta pala sa Jeddah, no? Kasi hindi naman sila nagkasama. Wow. Parang iba yung arrangement nila dito. Ay, grabe talaga ang timbre ng boses nila. Napaka-powerful actually. Nice. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, I love that. Ay, buti pa sila nag-i-enjoy, oh. Ay, hug. Ay, Chris, walang hug. Bakit walang hug? Kailangan may hug, JML. Wait, ano? Anong isa yun? Anong kakanta pa ba sila? Ay. Ay. Ay, hello. Starting all over again. Soulful siya, no? Totoo, silang dalawa actually, napaka-soulful talaga. Ay. Okay. We are starting over again. Chavez! Ay! I love this song. I love this song. Iba talaga ang hagod. Nakakawala ng pagod, in fairness. Ay! Oops. Okay. Starting over again. Yes. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The performance of Jamiel. Jamiel and the Di Nabulog Festival. Actually, meron pa ito mahaba itong video na to. Pero ipuputol ko muna. Gagawa natin ng ibang reaction video yan. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!